She didn't choose her meal, but nature keeps serving it to her. Because a female redback widow often gets a final course during mating, and it's the male himself volunteering for the plate. So he flips straight into her fangs, which means he boosts his chances of fathering more offspring by letting her eat him. And that sounds wild, but his body actually keeps her busy long enough for a second mating transfer, which means his sacrifice becomes a reproductive jackpot. And that's why her so-called last meal is really his last move. And if you want more strange truths like this, stick around for the next one.